Hey yo, what's going on guys? Sorry for not uploading in a while. Today I will be solving a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Sorry about that. Yep, I'll be solving this. I know how. Sorry about that, I had an itch on my chin. Alright, so, 3, 2, 1, go I guess. So, yeah, I'm not very good at talking through it while, solving. So yes, I'll probably be quiet for a while.
What's the matter, Frank? Something I said? You got my work up, did it? Beauty can cover a multitude of sins. But underneath,
Oops, let me do that.
exactly the same. I know
There we go. Yeah, and this is usually the way I do it. And I'm gonna, trust me, I'm not even really paying attention. Just to let y'all know.
Not until the story is done.
Alright, so I'm gonna spin this like I'm gonna aim it down. It's gonna be a bit weird. Alright, I'm gonna spin this real quick. Alright. I'm gonna spin enough of the tip. Darn. Oh well. So yeah. This is usually the way I solve it, which usually takes me 5, 6, 7 seconds. At most, it's 10, usually. So, like, oh, give me a minute. I'm gonna real quickly get it to that spot. And the reason I haven't been uploading is just, I just don't do it much anymore at school, you know. Oops, did not mean to solve it. So I'm gonna scramble it in front of y'all. Just if y'all want a video on how to solve it, maybe that might come up. Oh, sorry about that. Well, I heard it's a little, but so yeah. Usually the way I solve it is usually solving all the sides, except like, okay, let me think. Sorry about that yawn. Give me a minute, let's just one hand. See, I'll move this up. Yeah. Anywho, so let me real quickly try moving it if it wants me to move it. Alright, so I got all the sides there anyway. So, usually this is how it would be and stuff. So, this is how I usually have that set up. Because here, I'll do it. 3, 2, 1, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. See, right there I was counting really quick. And I still solved it. So, actually, this is a 2x2 cube. So, I'm not very good. I can solve this one. I can't solve 3x3, but if you want to know how to solve it, I will teach you right now in this video now. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is, sorry about that. I'm going to have to solve the white side. This you don't really need any algorithm for. But let me real quickly solve the cube, and then I'll be there in a minute.
Her subconscious mind has created a delusion that she was abducted by an alien.
It's possible she's the only one who survived. Why do you let her go? She said when she looked into his eyes, she felt relaxed.
For that moment, the one thing that he wanted.
So one thing I'm going to have to teach you in a minute is... Alright, so I had to solve it real quick, because it's the way you have to teach them. So... Oh my god, it's fine. Okay. Alright, so you gotta get to know your cube. This is a 2x2. They each have 3. Same. So 1, 2, 3. So there'd be a green. Remember, you always have to remember that white's always going to be the opposite of yellow. Now, red's always going to be the opposite of orange. Green is going to be the opposite of blue. So one thing you gotta remember, it can be written with an I, a lowercase to be exact, if that means RI means inverted. So say if I said RI, you'd go backwards with your right. Yes, it sounds weird. Okay then. So regular would be R. Just think of it as counterclockwise and clockwise. And if there's a 2, RI2, which means 1, 2. That's usually what I mean. Or if it's just R2, yeah, same thing. U means up. UI means inverted. So up, this is inverted. So, oops, there we go. So D means down. So boom, boom, it can be either way. If I say anything with the lowercase I, or if I just say I or prime, or an apostrophe. Yes, that's weird. But anyhow. Sorry about that. Anyhow, so I get to know you. This is left. It could be either. If it has a 2, it's usually going to be L, which means once, or L2, which is going to be twice. 3 by 3, I can't teach nobody. But probably some other. There's a beginner method on this one. So now if we scramble it, I'm just gonna. Alright, so sorry about that. So when you're solving this, you always have to solve the white side first. If it's like this, 3 like that, and 1 here, flip it like that to where it's on this side. On your right, and then you'd go right inverted, down inverted, right, and then you just keep doing that. Or you can put the down just in case, because look, the white's here now. And then you'd go back up. Or you can just do it twice just to make it quicker, which I did. So if there's actually one, it can be no layer, nothing solved here, nothing solved here, nothing solved here, nothing. Or it could be 1 solved or all the layers solved. And then that means you'd have to do this. See the green? Always have the one that's facing that. I'm sorry if I'm yawning so much. It's like late. So the green. Say if any of these were solved or something. Say if the top layer was solved. If it's solved right here. If it's all solved, just flip it to the bottom, and I'll tell you the rest in a minute. So you'd have to go from this facing that way. Right inverted, down inverted, right. Left inverted, down, left. Right inverted, down inverted, right. Then you got the whole layer, as you can tell. There, I'll show you there. There, that's better, isn't it? Now, if you got the whole layer, you'd flip to this. If it's like, you can have it like right next to each other, diagonal, and there could be single one on any of these corners. So, like this, you just go right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, right inverted. And you still got your white side solved. If there's, and there can be none as well. This isn't orange, sorry if it looks like a awkward color. So it'd be, you just redo that step a few times until you get the yellow solved. So right inverted, up, right, no, I just messed up, give me a minute. Sorry about that, let me just real quickly. Sorry. Anyway, I gotta re-solve this layer real quick, so lucky I'm fast enough for that. Okay, so you just do that. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up. So this would be here. And then it'd go down. And then you stop this solved. So if there's none up here, just do the algorithm. Boom. And if there's one, you always try getting, wait, that's weird, on this side, otherwise known as the right side. I'm sorry, the camera's the opposite way, but it's actually on this side if it's on the camera. But you just do that right, up, right inverted, up. Now you'd have 3 here. Then you do it right, up. Oh, frick, I messed up. Right. So I just did right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up. So you got the yellow solved. It can be like this, and then you can solve it automatically. Or, let me just get the right solve real quick. Let me get the solve. I meant scramble. But, just try getting the right side solved all the time first. See, and then here you just do the same rules again. So, if it's, do this. So there, it can be like this. So this means this, and this comes in handy very well. Right inverted, up, I mean, not up, front, which is this way. Back is this way. And then you do right inverted again, then you do back, back, and you go right. Then you would go front inverted, then you would go right, and then you'd go back, back, right, 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 back, back. And that means that you have 1 solved. Now you got 3 sides solved. Just do that algorithm again. And there, you solved it. That's pretty much it. Now if I really wanted to, give me a minute. I will solve it. My fastest time is like 5, 6, 7, something like that. Milliseconds. 5.67 seconds, yes. And usually that's because I do this and usually get this side first. So let me check. Does my foot have the... Check and see if my foot has something. Does it have a timer? I don't think it does. I don't know if it has a timer. Give me a minute. Anyhow, so let me check. I'm gonna go to... Yes, it does. Okay, so stopwatch. Alright, give me a minute. Let me pop this out real quick. Okay, so, yes, the screen is supposed to come out. Just to charge it. But, now I'm going to press this real quick. So, I just started it. Let me restart. So, right now it says 0 seconds. So, real quickly, I'm going to solve it after I start it. Which is about to be in 3, 2, 1, go. See? 6.7. 6.7, sorry. Okay. You know what? Be right back. Give me a second.
Maybe he's not using an RV. Maybe he's towing a trailer.
That way you can unhook him without freely.
He can also hide it. That's why we can't find him.
He's waiting for the roadblocks to clear. Okay, if you've been talking to me, just are muted in corporate America.
26 minutes.
Okay, so, let me get the mirror. Just to make it so y'all can actually see it correctly. Okay. 6.7, there you go.
Like you said,
But when I face towards the camera, it doesn't look like 6.7. It's actually opposite on here, because let me just turn it on real quick. Just to let you know, this is about to become 7. I'll turn it on for you. See what I mean? So that you can tell it's 0. But it's better off if it's in the mirror. You can actually tell what it says. Yeah. Anyhow. Sorry about all that. Sorry. Please don't copyright me. I can't help it. They always have TV on. But, yeah. It really takes me to solve the cube when it's fully mixed. Alright. Stopwatch. Go.
Here's this number. 303-555. Cell phone. Line 2. We have in hand. Circle contact. Sally, you could have just kept on going. You may have never come. On this internet, whatever's keeping you in that town must be freaky special. That's the way it is, mothers. Don't be with them. Come on in. Stay seated. I didn't want to go home and I played in jail.
Alright, sorry about that. Again. Because people love to go in when I'm recording a YouTube video. But it's gonna be longer. But boom. Solved. Now I'm gonna stop the timer. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds. Can't see it, can you? I gotta get the mirror. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Yeah. 1 minute 3 seconds. Whoops. Turn it on again. Swear to turn on. Give me a minute. There we go. Yep. 1 minute 3. Hope y'all enjoyed. Peace.